Hello everyone. In this video, we want to learn program to check whether a number is a even or odd. So for that, how this program gonna work? We will ask a user for input and use whether just like for example, user will enter like 4. If user will enter 4, then what we need to do? We need to print an output like even. Just because this is even, so we need to print our output like even. And if I ask user to enter input and user will enter like any odd number like 3, then what our output will be look like? Our output will be odd. Okay, so this is our program. So how this program will work is just like if I just like if I divide this 4, just like user will enter this 4 here, and if I divide this 4 by what? By 2. If I just divide this 4 by 2, then what our output will be? Then our remainder, this remainder here is whatever left, we will call that remainder. So if we will left with remainder 0, nothing here, then this is even. If this will be completely divisible by 2, then it will be even. And just suppose even user will enter this 3 in their input. So what we will do? We will gonna divide this also by 2, and in this time this will be left with 1. And if this left with 1, then that thing gonna be odd. So what we will do? We will gonna do n divisible by 2 equals to 0. If this condition gonna be equals to 0, then that will be even, and that if that not equals to 0, then that gonna be our odd number. So I hope you understand the logic. Let's go on our compiler and run this program. So firstly, we need to take input from user, and for that we need to import our scanner. So we'll import java.util.scanner here, and after that we will create a object of scanner class. So we'll write scanner sc is equals to new scanner, right? And write system.in no, there's no scanner system.in, sorry. So we will create an object of our scanner class, which will be scanner sc is equals to new scanner. And after that we will what we'll do, we will show the output, show the message for the user. Our message will be look like enter number to check even or odd. Okay, and user will enter the output, and user will enter the input, and that input we will store in this num variable. And so we'll do sc dot next int, right? We will store this in our num variable. After that, what we will do, we will do if that num variable completely divisible by 2 equals to 0. If that happen, if it will be equals to 0, then we need to print our output like this number is even. And if this is gonna be false and goes on S part, on that time we need to print that this number is odd. Okay, so I hope you understand the code. If you understand the code, let's run this program and see what the output look like. If I run this program, okay, so it shows the message like enter a number to check whether it is even or odd. So I will write 4, and we all know this is even. So our output is this number is even. And if I run this again, and this time I'll write 3, then it will show the output this number is odd. I hope you all understand the logic and the program also. This is our output, and thank you guys for the watching this video, and I will meet you in next video.